Okay. Well, how about this? We'll get somebody to announce me, do the old, you wanted the best, you got the best, the hottest band, Kiss and Paul Stanley.
Yeah.
And then I'll announce Natasha. And I'll be like, hi, this is Paul Stanley of Kiss. Now please welcome Natasha. And then Natasha can welcome you. Okay, let me get this straight. So you want someone to announce you, so you can announce Natasha, who will then announce me. Yeah, it'd be great. Why don't you just announce the show like right now, and we'll cut through all that. You mean just like announce Natasha? Yeah. All right, you're the boss. Hey everybody. Like right now, right? Yeah, we're filming. Oh wow. Hey everybody, it's me, Paul Stanley. Paul Stanley of Kiss. You wanted the best, you got the best. The hottest podcast in the land. On YouTube, on Facebook, wherever. The hottest podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I'm Paul Stanley of Kiss. Now please welcome, you want me to welcome Natasha? Yeah, just say, this is Natasha. Okay, everybody. Now, please welcome Natasha. Take it away, girl. Thanks, Paul. Hey, everybody. How you doing? Welcome back to the show. I am Natasha. This is Paul Stanley. Oh, you're looking great. Has anyone told you that? Yeah, well, I have good genes. You have good genes? Yeah, well, right now I'm wearing black tights. But, my dad is 101 years old and still alive. Can you believe that? I can. I think I read that. Well, congratulations and whatever. It's nice to have you here on the show. So, anyway, what's going on? I'm Natasha. There's Paul Stanley. There's also NANABOOZHOO. He'll be coming out. And, yeah, we're going live on this beautiful Friday morning. Ah, sweetie.
Oh, it's gorgeous. The sun's out. I think it's going to be another gorgeous day.
Yep. So today, let's see who's here. Oh, Daniel Black is back. He's back. Back in the New York groove, Daniel's black. He's black in the New York groove. How you doing, Daniel? Good to see you. And to start our show on this beautiful Friday, what we call the fifth day, huh, sweetie?
That's right. We call it the fifth day.
Nano Geisha good. And, look who's here. It's Shady Side Fuzz. We know who you are. Grieving Turtle's here.
Hey, BOOZHOO, Shady Side Fuzz.
The Fuzz is here. You better watch out. Hey, I saw Chad yesterday.
Chad Drabishki or Chad Macias?
Macias. Oh, no.
What's going on with my voice? Oh, no kidding.
Yeah. NANABOOZHOO's cousin's a cop too, Shady Side. He's got a cop. He's got a cousin. You've got a cousin, and Tommy used to be a cop too, huh?
Yeah, Tommy was a chief of police.
Oh, so hey, hats off to our Shady Side, to whatever, NANABOOZHOO's finest. What? No, that makes no sense. And Brandy Marie is here. BOOZHOO, Brandy Marie. Oh yeah. Me no giga shape, she says. Oh, ashes to ashes, fuzz to fuzz. We know Major Tom's a junkie. So yeah, Nino Geisha good. And we're just kind of hanging out. You gonna tell the story about the lady slipper?
Yeah, I thought I might.
We got a tip on the old BOOZHOO crew page to tell the lady slipper story. So I think NANABOOZHOO's gonna tell the lady slipper story. But what do you think? Should I show a gibberish cartoon or something?
Well, let's wait for Missy.
Wait for Missy? We could be waiting all day for Missy. I mean, who knows when she'll... Oh, hey, she's here. BOOZHOO, Missy. Missy's here.
Okay, BOOZHOO, cuz.
Yeah, so let's, we'll tell you what, Paul. Yeah, what is it, Natasha? You'll like this gibberish cartoon. So, first of all, let me change the background to a lovely, outdoor scene. And then we'll pull up in a gibberish cartoon. Gibberish cartoons are cartoons that, Michael Lyons drew that teach the Ojibwe language. And if you'd like to if you like the cartoons you see on the show, click the link below to Amazon.com and order one of Michael's Ojibwe language cartoon books or comics or coloring books or whatever you want to call it. Anyway, check this out. Ojim! Kiss! Oh, that's a great one. Look at that. Yeah, I thought you'd like that. So this is Ojim. It means kiss. And I don't know what other people think of when they hear the word kiss, but I always think of the band. Huh? That's great. You know why? Why? Because we're the hottest band in the land. You sure are, Paul. Oh, brother. Ojim! Kiss. And here we got Michael's drawn. It's just the original 4 guys, huh? Yeah, I think so. I mean, I guess that could be Tommy Thayer and Eric Singer. Well, what is it, Michael? Is that Gene, Paul, Tommy, and Eric?
No, that's Gene, Paul, Ace, and Peter.
Oh, okay. What do you think of the new lineup?
Well, I think they're a great band, but I don't think they should be wearing the makeup.
Really?
Yeah, that's Ace Frehley makeup. It's not the Spaceman makeup.
What do you think, Paul? You think Michael's got a point? Yeah, I know. I just didn't want to have to bother with, making up new posters and new toys and all that stupid stuff. It was like, hey, Tommy, just put on Ace's makeup. Who cares? I'm already a millionaire. Yeah, I suppose, huh? What else? Michael.
I'll be honest. The makeup, I mean, it sounds weird, but the makeup is the thing I care least about with Kiss.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, when I was a kid, it was the thing that attracted me, but I'm a Kiss fan because I like their music. I don't care about them putting on face makeup and tights and stuff.
Yeah, I'm kind of that way too. It might be time to take off the makeup again. Although end of the road. They had like one show and then I think that's over. Anyway, so Ojim, Kiss. And, it's really important. In the Anishinaabe culture, we celebrate the music of Kiss. It's funny. One time Kiss recorded an album called The Elder, and now they are elders. So there you go. Ojim by Kiss by Michael Lyons. Available now at Amazon.com. Anyway, you say you want to go for a spin. The party's just begun to let you in. You drive us wild. I'm actually kind of sick of that song. Yeah, me too. You think you're sick of it. I've had to sing it every day for the last 40 years.
Oh, yeah,
I suppose. Why my voice? So, let's see what's going on. Jessica Gonzalez is here. BOOZHOO, Jessica. And good morning, all you lovely ladies, including Natasha. Ooh. Jessica thinks I'm lovely.
Well, yeah, so do I.
Yeah, I know. Shady, is it emotional? Wild guess. Yeah, Shady's side fuzz is the grieving turtle. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, Shady, he's responding to questions. Shady side fuzz says, "What's yellow on the medicine wheel?" Yellow is the symbol for, I don't know. I almost pulled up the medicine wheel today too, did I?
Let me check this out. Yeah, it's right here. Na, na, na. On this one, it says it's emotional. But I think that's... Michael, did you put that in any particular order? No, absolutely not. Somebody might say it stands for that, but I just randomly colored in those pies. Okay. So here it means emotional. The important thing to remember, it means the Asian race. You know, the other day we were talking about how people get kind of touchy when you talk about race, especially when it comes to the medicine wheel. Because they go, oh yeah, it represents the 4 races. The whites, the blacks, the yellows, and the redskins. And you go, what? Why does that sound so racist? You know? Hey, we're not red. Well, unless we get really cold, and then, you know, my cheeks get red. I become a redskin. And white people aren't really white, you know. Black people aren't really black. And yellow people aren't really yellow. But we never call Asian people yellow. It's like, it seems rude. It seems racist. Hey, yellow person. It's like, I beg your pardon. La, la, la. Okay. Do, do, do. On my way to where the air is new. Hey, I saw they're looking for Native American puppeteers. Well, I should be telling you, Michael. They're looking for Native American puppeteers for some Sesame Street workshop. Oh, I saw that too on the Facebook page. I thought we'd be perfect for that. If only we cared enough. Sunny day. Jessica says, I said BOOZHOO to Daniel, but of course hello to NANABOOZHOO and Michael. You're all lovely too. Okay, hi. Those are contrived indicators. Yeah, they're totally contrived. I mean, who cares? When somebody says black is beautiful, I think they're talking about Daniel Black. Oh, that guy's so beautiful. Have you looked at him? You look into Daniel's eyes and you just get lost. You're like, oh, wow. Anyway. Should I do an Ojibwe word of the day? Yeah, you totally can. All right. Well, I guess I did. NANABOOZHOO good is the 5th day. It's Friday. And no, Missy has nothing to do with a 5th of Jack Daniels. Just never mind that. Oh, you know what? I should wait. Well, moccasin, what big one? If you look it up, they go, what's the Ojibwe word for lady slipper? They go, oh, it's moccasin, what big one? That's what we call that flower. But moccasin, what big one doesn't mean, moccasin doesn't mean lady. And what big one doesn't mean slipper. It's our word for that flower. But moccasin means moccasin. It's one of those words that, it's an Ojibwe word that people don't know, they already know. Hey, what's the Ojibwe word for moccasin? Oh, moccasin? I guess that stands to reason. Oh, I made my moccasin out of moose. Oh, what's the Ojibwe word for moose? Moose? Moccasin. Same thing with Mississippi. 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 Oh, what's this river called? It's the Mississippi. It's a giant river. Big old river. Mississippi. Mississippi. Anyway, moccasin is our word for moccasin. And what big one is a flower. If you should fall into my arms, tremble like What big one? Let's dance under the moonlight, the serious moonlight. What big one is a flower? So we just called it the moccasin flower. The old moccasin flower. Should we take a look at what a lady slipper looks like? There you go. It's a lady slipper. Moccasin, what big one? What big one? I think I spelled that right. What big one? What big one might be spelled wrong. I don't know, but that's how you say it. Moccasin, what big one? Beautiful lady slippers. Maybe I should move myself in front of that. Looking out on the moccasin, what big one? It means lady slipper. Moccasin, what big one? Life is so unkind. Your love is my peace of mind. You make me feel like a natural woman, woman. I wonder if, do you suppose Caitlyn Jenner sings that song every day? I would. Actually, I sing that song every day. You make me feel. What in the world? No slideshows? All right. How do I block somebody? No slideshows. No. What an awful person. One of you has the best name. I don't think I need to say who. Okay, Noel, you just got yourself banned. I'm going to see if I can ban. I'm going to run like this. Okay, no. Does anybody know how to ban somebody on the chat? This is a first for me. Here come the trolls. Yeah, exactly. No slideshows is a racist. You don't get to meet many very often. This is a real... And there's somebody named BBY who's trying to do it too. YouTube is PoTube. PooTube. Yikes. Weird. We just stumbled onto something. I wonder if we'll get more views. Anyway. So, sorry about that, you guys. I'll ban those guys later. I don't know how to ban yet. I don't know why. Is it because the lady slipper is a protective flower? We're not even talking about the flat earth day. Maybe, I wonder if we set off like the artificial intelligence when I said something about Caitlyn Jenner singing, "You make me feel, you make me feel. Why don't we just switch to Facebook Live? Back under your rock, off you go." Should I go to Facebook? How long have we been doing this? Yeah, they're trying to spell something, Brandy Marie. The N-word. Oh no, I'm so triggered. Oh. I guess what I hate about trolls like that more than anything, it's like, oh, you guys make... You know, you're going to make everyone believe that this is a super racist country and that a lot more people agree with you, you know. So we might have to go to Facebook. I'm like, are they trying to spell something? Yeah, Brandy's so innocent. It's probably the Camille Harris bunch that needs to get ejected. They must be running out of accounts with names. Yeah. Yeah, I can't figure out what they're spelling. So weird. Nagers. They're spelling nagers. It was like, remember that one, Mr. Marsh, whatever. on South Park. He's on Wheel of Fortune, and he's got N space GGERS, and they go, and the hint is somebody who annoys you, and he's like, I know what it is, but I don't want to say it. They go, time's running out. And the word was naggers, but he said, this word they're spelling. They must be rounding and going to go, I hate homosexuals. Jeez. Well, I'm not going to let trolls end our live stream prematurely. But hold on, we've been doing this for 20 minutes. And I was just about to send it over to NANABOOZHOO anyway. So let's go over to Facebook. And I'm going to continue, or I'll turn it over to NANABOOZHOO on Facebook Live. And and you can tell the story about Moccasin wa big one. The lady slipper, huh, sweetie? Yeah, that sounds good. Okay, let's do that. Thank you for watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO. We just got trolled, and, we'll figure out how to block that, but who cares? Let's go to Facebook, because the other day we had 700 people watch our video anyway. All right, we're going to Facebook. Thank you for watching Gigawaba Min Minawa. I'll see you again on Facebook in 5 minutes. All right, to Facebook, BOOZHOO crew.